right, what's up? What's up, guys? I got my boy KANE here.
Come on, guys.
He brought his minivan, aka his.
Be nice. Be nice.
All right, tell me a little bit about this. We got a 20.
All right, yeah. So it's a 2018 Focus RS limited edition.
He actually just got this badge off eBay, so I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. 2018 came with the limited slip up front, and yeah, it came with 350 horsepower, all-wheel drive.
And what is it making now?
I think at the crank only like 380, 385.
It's moving, man. I forget it's a 4-banger.
Yeah, 4-banger turbo, 2.3 liter.
Jeez.
Yeah, I got a little mounting package on it, so it's hauling ass.
Yeah. Show me that. Because you got the Cobb. He was telling me the Cobb access port or something.
The Cobb access port for my tunes.
Nice. What wheels are we rocking here?
Oh, we got some NTO3s.
Nice.
Plus 40.
He says you got the caps coming. Car's clean, outside's clean, and that's all that matters.
Yeah, so I got the nice little matching. Matching intake.
That's horsepower.
KANE intake. And then down here we got the fucking big intercooler from Mountain. Came with charge pipes, but I never got the hot side, so I got a refund on that.
Installed by Park Automotive. Park Automotive.
Yes, nice. And then in the garage, I still have the downpipe and sway bars to put in.
Okay. So oh damn. So the downpipe came in.
Yeah.
Nice.
Catless downpipe.
Nice.
It's gonna be loud.
Okay, sick. We'll just do a quick little walk around. You guys see the what's her name?
I don't have her.
No. Alright. Look at this. It looks.
You know, got a little lip on the wing here. Carbon fiber.
Dang.
You know, big money.
Big money. Oh God. A little sketch. He's wasting no time. Oh my God.
Came to drive, homie.
It feels planted.
Yeah, I just want those sway bars.
Oh, the sway bar. Yeah, and you got new tires, right?
I got new tires. They're not as sticky as what came on it. It came with Michelin Sport Cup 2s.
And then now
I have some Nitto 555s, just some more affordable tires.
They feel good though.
Yeah, they feel good.
Yeah, it's not a lot of they feel grippy.
Once they get like nice and warm, they're real nice.
Yeah, you wasted no time. We're boosting. Oh my gosh, the bike is so smooth. These seats are actually really comfortable.
Yeah,
these are Recaros.
Yeah, it came with Recaros. They fit a lot better when I was a little skinnier. But they still hold me down.
Yeah, they still hold me down. Yeah, I'm a little wide, so I'm like I feel like I'm barely like trying to squeeze into some jeans that just don't fit me anymore. But they're holding me in. They're holding me in.
Yeah, sometimes I forget that the back is just a bench, so people are just swaying around in the back.
But it's roomy, you know. If I were to get a hatch, I think this would be it.
You know, there's the Type R and the STI.
Yeah, what made you go with this one?
Everybody and their mama has an STI.
Well, you don't want to be a part of the STI
back in the day, what got me into like 4-banger hatchbacks was the original, like the the hatchback WRX.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I love that car growing up. Every time I see one still, I want one. But
yeah, well, I know. What made you go this route? Because that's cheaper, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, a bit cheaper.
And then the Type R is front-wheel drive, so that was out of the question right away.
Yeah, you're like,
yeah. So I went with this. It's got more power than both of those. It's not as nice on the inside. Like there's a lot of cheap plastic around, and there's nothing for the backseat people. But yeah,
no, the car's for you. It's not for the backseat.
Exactly. I was originally looking at the Focus ST. And then, you know how these websites do.
Yeah.
It's like, for $100 more a month, you can have this. For $50 extra, you can have this. So they fucking sold me.
Oh man.
And
how long have you had the car for?
in January. In 3 months, I'll have it for 2 years.
2 years. Okay, cool. Oh, damn. So you've done a good amount.
Yeah, well, there's still only 21,000 miles on it, though.
Oh, yeah. It's basically, you know.
Yeah, actually, 1 year. 1 year.
1 year. Oh,
1
wow.
year. I bought it in 2019.
Oh, damn. Yeah. 1 year, man.
Damn.
Get together. Okay, so you have the downpipe coming in. You
I have the downpipe and the sway bars are in my garage.
Oh,
I just gotta find time when our boy Luis.
Yeah, Luis Automotive.
when he needs a little extra cash.
Yeah, you gotta get him in. The guy's busy, man. I have him try to do all my stuff too, but yeah, when all the things connect.
It's gonna be a bitch though. Like we have to drop the subframe just to put the sway bars in. And we're gonna use one of my buddies or my mom's friend. He has a lift in his garage.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Well, once you put that in, we're gonna have to do a video because I'm sure it's gonna change the sound completely. Because when I put it in my 2 Series, it sounds so good.
Yeah,
you know, those pops.
I think I'm gonna do that, and then maybe a wastegate actuator, and then get it retuned. And I think I'm just gonna leave it at that.
Oh, no way.
I don't.
That's what they always say.
Driver, bro. This is my daily driver.
That's what they always say, though.
I bought this car, so I need this shit, man. I had a Volkswagen bus in high school. That was my first car.
I remember that.
It broke down.
Oh yeah. So I known KANE for a while now, and yeah, you did have a.
I had a Volkswagen bus that broke down once a week.
Once a week.
So
religiously.
Yeah. I ran out of tows on AAA. I didn't know if you.
Oh, you do that.
I have the unlimited AAA, and they still were like, nah, like you break down too much.
You're like, it's not unlimited.
Yeah. So I decided I was looking for a new car, and good old Craigslist, my boy Craig and his list. I found a 2002 BMW 540 E39.
Oh, sick!
And it was like tuned. It had exhaust. It was, it was modded a little bit, and that thing hauled ass.
Oh man!
But also, like, I had to replace the engine in that thing twice.
Oh my God!
It broke down all the time too.
So your luck. Oh, there we go. Finally. With the pops. I'm like, I hope that GoPro's still back there. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels good, dude. It feels really good. You're inspiring me to get a hatch. For real. I was looking at these when I got my 370Z.
Yeah.
I was looking at this and the Mustang as well, but yeah, I ended up going with the 370.
I'm just glad you didn't go with the Mustang.
Yeah. Did you see that mob coming up right there?
Oh yeah, so then BMW broke down just as much as the bus, and I said fuck it, and I bought a 1988 Jeep Wrangler.
Oh yeah.
That I still have. That thing's badass too, but it just wasn't cutting it anymore. So
was that breaking down, or
it didn't break down? It was just it's 1988. It was still carbureted. It just wasn't it. It wasn't it. It didn't get to go fast.
Yeah, you can't.
I put a big lift and big tires on it, and made it even slower. and then my sway bar in the front snapped off, and I was like, all right, new car.
You're like, all right.
Sway bar breaks, you buy a new car.
That's what you do. That's the thing you do nowadays. The sway bar. It pulls so nice, man. It just keeps going too. It's very
linear.
Yeah, very linear. That's the word for it. It doesn't feel like you're losing anything.
Yeah, it's a pretty small turbo, so there's not much turbo lag at all.
Yeah. Do you plan on doing anything with the turbo?
Man, see, that's where we get into that reliability thing.
Yeah, that's true.
Because stock, this motor can handle like 410 horsepower without changing internals.
Okay, so that's solid though.
That's solid.
Because this car doesn't weigh that much, right?
No, I don't remember.
It's probably like 3,500 or something like that. Maybe.
I don't even remember.
I don't know. They're gonna hate me. They're gonna be like, you don't know shit.
You don't know anything about your car.
Oh yeah, they're gonna fry you.
But yeah, man, like I love the all-wheel drive. I can power slide when I want to.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
And yeah.
Does it have those modes where it like switches to rear wheel drive?
So it's called torque vectoring. So when you're on the gas, it has potential to send 70% of the power to the rear. And then once that 70% in the rear, the car can put 100% of that power to either wheel. So it'll put it on the outside wheel, so it pushes you through the corner, you know?
That's so sick. Is that for just the newer ones, or it's just like the RS?
Just the RS, because the ST's front wheel drive.
Oh damn, I did not know that. So it's the ST, and then after that's the Fiesta.
There's a Fiesta, which is...
Or that's not even like part of the...
There's a Fiesta ST, which is like... I think it comes with like 210 horsepower front wheel drive, 2-door. It's a lot smaller. And then there's the ST, which is the Focus ST, which is the Focus chassis.
Yeah. That's
a 4-door front wheel drive. And then there's the RS, which is by the Ford Racing Company. So,
so that's like the M.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like an actual M series, not like an M235. Yeah,
I feel that. So you're telling me I got the RS? No, the ST.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh man, I mean, but this just feels good. Do you want to do anything to the interior, or you like it?
It's fine. I can change my shift knob. I'm gonna do more stuff to the exterior, like diffuser, front diffuser, rear diffuser.
Carbon, or what do you think?
Nah, the front I'm probably just gonna do like a plate because it scrapes already as it is. I don't want to be tearing up carbon.
Just bag it.
Yeah, let me just pull $3,000 out real quick. But yeah.
And then rear diffuser.
Rear diffuser. And then I want to change, just easy things, lights.
What are the options with the lights? They get like pretty crazy, like.
There are some like pretty cool, pretty crazy ones, but a lot of them have trouble with the I forget what it's called. It's not adaptive, but when you turn your wheel, the light moves with it.
That's pretty sick. Yeah.
And a lot of them have problems with that, like third-party aftermarket. But like the blinkers on my side view mirrors, I want them sequential. I don't want them blinking.
Yeah. No, it's like the little things that make a big difference.
Yeah, exactly.
I know what this guy wants to do. Yeah, we'll go like another. Look at this. It's getting wild over here. Wow, there's a lot of people here. Yeah, next one will just turn out. Dang, this feels sick, man. I'm also gonna get you guys some POV footage, but we are gonna wrap this up here. Once he pulls over, we're gonna get the POV cam out. It's gonna be sick.
Yes, sir. This is the next one.
Yeah, next one. Alright, next one.
Those corner ones are sus.
Yeah.
He's out here keeping up.
Oh yeah, he is.
When I lost him.
Damn, that feels so good.
Just a cool 80 through the canyon.
Yeah, just cool.
No big
No big deal. And then we got the RAV4. Yeah. This is basically like your cousin.
Oh, yeah.
This is
right.
This is like extended family right here. Thank you, brother, for
my guy.
coming out here, showing us your car. This is freaking sick.
Thank you.
And I'll be going back and forth with the POV footage, but this is going to be the end of the video. Appreciate you coming
Thanks,
out.
guys. Shout out Daily Whips.
There you go. You already know the deal.
Instagram, daily.whips.
And then, what's your IG?
KANE.m.c.
I'll be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching.